Napapansin mo bang umiihi ang pusa mo outside the litter box or unusual places? O di kaya ay nasa litter box siya at hirap umihi? These can be warning signs of urinary tract diseases at pwede ito maiwasan at depende sa severity nito, pwede mag-home remedy. Pero kung may kapasidad ka naman, please bring your cats to the vet for proper medical attention. Ang feline lower urinary tract disease or FLUTD is an overall term kapag may problema ang alaga mong pusa sa lower urinary tract nila. May iba't ibang type ng FLUTD. Ang urinary tract infection or UTI, which is a common urinary symptom sa cats. Mas madalas nangyayari ito sa mga female cats and it is caused by bacteria sa urethra or bladder. Ang obesity or sobrang katabaan and diabetes can be a risk factor. Ang feline idiopathic cystitis or FIC, ito ay ang inflammation or pamamaga sa bladder. Bladder stones or urinary stones. Ang bladder stones ay maaaring mangyari sa pusang may UTIs or pwedeng dahil sa kinakain and genetics. Ito ay namumuong crystals or bato sa bladder ng pusa. Nai-irritate ang lining ng kanilang bladder or urethra kaya nagkukos ng pain at pagdugo na makikita sa ihi. Urethral obstruction. Ang mga pusang may bladder stones are at risk for urethral obstruction. In this case, completely blocked ang urethra ng pusa dahil sa stones at hindi na nito na ilalabas ang ihi. This is an emergency case and kailangan madala na sa vet. Maraming contributing factors bakit nagkakaroon ng urinary tract problems ang ating mga cats. Some of these factors include food, water consumption, and stress. Urinary tract diseases can be dangerous at pwedeng mag-cause ng kidney failure at rupture ng bladder which are deadly. But for less severe situation na pwede ang home remedies, maybe napansin mo na konti ng ihi ng pusa mo, you can try home remedies. You can give apple cider vinegar sa cats. According to Pet Cubes, every day you can add half teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to your cat's diet. Ang brand na to ang ginagamit ko dito sa bahay. I hope nakatulong ang video nito, guys. For transparency, I'm not a veterinarian. This information is available on the internet, so I suggest you do your own research din. And I highly suggest, especially kung may napansin kayong symptoms sa pusa nyo, consult with your vet. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.